What did you find out about Simix and how it helps you in the cleaning of golf balls?
It's a lot more efficient. It doesn't smell. It gets the balls cleaner. We don't need to wash them as often, nor do we need to change out the ball washer water as often, because nothing's smelling again. It's not congealing up at the bottom. It's staying cleaner. Everything's flowing and just coming off the balls easier. And as well, when they're out around the driving range, they don't seem to pick up as much debris on them, which makes that cleaning process easier as well. And then just kind of allows us to cut costs without needing to buy ball washer, soap. We don't need to wash them as many times each time. It's just an overall saver on that regard, because as we all know, there's nothing worse than cleaning a ball out there, picking it up, and it smells awful. Just another bad deterrent that we all don't need, and it should provide a more efficient cleaning for the customer as well.